Greetings everyone from Piedmont Triad International Airport, the home of Carolina Aircraft. May Bueller here with another gorgeous, exceptional G36 to show you this time. Now this is a 2014 model, but I swear to you, it's like brand new. There's so much to love here. In fact, this was owned by a past president of the American Bonanza Society, so no expense was spared in maintenance, and she has been pampered. Let's take a look. So check out this beautiful engine, Teledyne Continental IO 550 300 horsepower gold standard engine. 1900 hour TBO, so we love that about this engine. 525 hours on the engine since new, and 10 hours since there was a teardown inspection. Let me explain. Now the prop is only 10 hours on it since new. So the airplane has no damage history, but apparently somebody tried to start the airplane while it was connected to a tow bar, so there was a prop strike. So we have a new prop, 10 hours since new. When you have an airplane this stunning, you're going to want to fly her places and show her off. What a beautiful airplane for your family or business associates. So you can see we have the Osborn tip tanks here, 20 gallons a side. Plenty of fuel to fly to our vacation and business destinations. 114 gallons of usable fuel. In other words, we can go about 1,000 nautical miles plus reserves without a pit stop. This G36 Bonanza has gorgeous paint. Matterhorn white with dark jade green metallic and stardust metallic stripes with dove gray bottom, smoke gray tinted windows, 525 hours on the airframe since factory new. Something else you need to know about this Bonanza, the wing spar AD does not apply, and your approach flaps, they can be extended at 154 knots indicated. So check out the large double cargo doors that we love about Beechcraft, and look at the new style interior. I love it. We're going to get a closer look at that in just a minute. But right now, the useful load, you should know with this airplane, 1,150 pounds. Now Osborn has an STC where you can add an additional 224 pounds if you like. Now when it comes to the seating configuration, you know we can change that. Right now everybody is in the club seating configuration, but we can change the seats around if all your passengers want to face forward. We can even remove seats if we're going to carry skis or lots of equipment or whatever. I don't need any tools to do that. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, and we're ready to go. The interior is brand new. It is gorgeous. Check out these pewter leather seats, gray groovy carpet. Check out this beautiful executive writing desk. What I love about this new style interior, it's so modern. And we also have lumbar adjustments for your back. Your back will thank you, and so will your passengers. Now we do have air conditioning, of course, and we have this wonderful automatic climate control. So the operator and or the passengers, well, we can set the temperature to what suits us for our particular zone. The new CabinFomfortPlus automatic climate control air conditioning system weighs 40 pounds less than the old system, provides better cooling. It's got that set and forget system that you can use in all phases of flight, takeoff, landing, cruise, etc. No condenser up front, taking up our leg room. No exterior door and actuator in the slipstream to create any drag, and we have outlets for all passengers. You're going to love the flight deck on this aircraft. Garmin G1000 fully integrated glass panel flight deck. G1000 EFIS primary flight display and multi-function flight display. We have WAAS, synthetic vision, TAWS-B terrain awareness system, safe taxi, ADS-B, yes, we are 2020 compliant, XM weather and music, Garmin active traffic, you have a storm scope on board, a Garmin GFC 700 Autopilot flight control system with GPS steering, altitude and vertical speed pre-select, and yaw down for a smoother ride. This 2014 G36 is like brand new. It is gorgeous, folks. One of the most beautiful Bonanzas I've ever seen, and you know I've been doing these videos for a long time. All the bells and whistles, only 525 hours on the airframe and engine since new, only 10 on the prop. We have that automatic climate control set and forget system. There's lots to love here. So we invite you to check it out before she flies away. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina, and Bonanza School is included in the price of this beautiful aircraft because we want you to be safe and comfortable in your new G36. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thanks so much for watching.